Hello everybody, welcome to iXamBee's LegalBee. This is Amrita, your law faculty at iXamBee. In this video today, I'm going to discuss with you all the next set of questions from Constitution of India. This is an everyday mock test series started exclusively at LegalBee. अगर आपने बाकी की videos नहीं देखे हैं, I would suggest you all to go to the playlist section of this YouTube channel that is LegalBee and also don't forget to subscribe. इस सीरीज से आपको काफ़ी सारे बेनिफिट्स मिलते हैं. यू आर एबल टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चंस दैट यू गेट फॉर प्रैक्टिस एंड दैट टू नॉट ओनली सब्जेक्ट बट ऑल्सो टॉपिक वाइज. अगर आपके कोई भी क्वेरीज हैं यू कैन रीच आउट टू अस एट hello@ixambee.com और इन द कमेंट सेक्शन ऑफ दिस वीडियो. आज का टॉपिक होगा रिलेशंस बिटवीन यूनियन एंड स्टेट्स दैट आई एम गोइंग टू डिस्कस विद यू ऑल फ्रॉम कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया. बिफोर वी स्टार्ट आई विल गिव यू टू इंपॉर्टेंट अपडेट्स. यूजीसी नेट लॉ एग्जामिनेशन के लिए जो भी प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं देयर आर फ्री मॉक टेस्ट्स अवेलेबल एट www.ixambee.com so you can go and attempt it so that it will help you strategize your preparation. And also those who are preparing for the law clerk interview, there is an interview guidance course and that has been started at iXamBee. So you can check out the link in the description of this video and fill the Google form as soon as possible. First question, which part of the Constitution deals with relations between union and states? Part 10, 11, 9, 5, 4A. Very easy question. B. Part 11 deals with relations between union and states and constitution has exclusively provided for it how it has to be divided. Which of the following is true about the power to legislate on subjects in the concurrent list? Only the union government can legislate on these subjects. Only state government can legislate. Both can legislate. President has exclusive power. As per 7th schedule, only union has exclusive power to legislate on these subjects. Answer is C, that both union and states can legislate, and according to that we are having three lists in the 7th schedule of the constitution: union list, state list and concurrent list. Law made by the parliament. Now this is an interesting question. Can be deemed intra-territorial in operation, deemed extraterritorial in operation, deemed extraterritorial in operation but not intra-territorial, is applicable in foreign countries also, foreign territories also, not valid on the ground that it is extraterritorial in operation. So which of the following is the correct option? Law made by the parliament. Answer will be E, not invalid. Not invalid on the ground that it is extraterritorial in operation. पार्लियामेंट जो लॉ बनाता है अगर वो एक्स्ट्रा टेरिटोरियल है ऑपरेशन में तो भी वो इनवैलिड नहीं होगा. इट विल स्टिल बी वैलिड. सो नॉट इनवैलिड का मतलब होता है वैलिड. सो ये वर्ड्स का प्ले होता है. एज पर आर्टिकल 245 इट इज टॉक्ड अबाउट इन क्लॉज 2. नो law made by the parliament shall be deemed to be invalid on the ground that it will have extraterritorial operation. Which of the following statements is true regarding financial relations between the union and states? Union government has no power to levy taxes on the states. Union government can impose any tax on the states without their consent. Union and states share the power to levy certain taxes. States have exclusive power to levy all the taxes. So which of the following statement is true regarding financial relations? अब union relations में legislative relations ही नहीं आते हैं, सिर्फ financial relations भी आते हैं. So what are the powers relating to taxes? Financial relations, when we are talking about between union and states, then both of them are having the power to collect taxes. Remember that. Okay. Under which article of the constitution can president assume direct control over the administration of a state? ये क्वेश्चन काफ़ी ईजी है. एक्चुअली पिछले वीडियो में भी मैंने इस कंसेप्ट के बारे में आपसे बात की थी, तो आई थिंक आप इसका आंसर बहुत ईजीली दे सकते हैं. अंडर विच आर्टिकल प्रेसिडेंट विल assume all the control over the administration of a state? This is also something which is between the center and state relations. Article 356 of the Constitution, which is also known as state emergency or precedence rule. In case of conflict between law made by the state government and a law made by union government on a subject which is there in the concurrent list, the law made by the state government will prevail, union government will prevail, both will prevail. President is having final authority to decide or Prime Minister is having final authority to decide it. So the answer is B. Law made by union government will prevail in such kind of cases, and we have a doctrine for that, that is known as the doctrine of repugnancy. Doctrine of repugnancy is covered under which article of the Indian Constitution? Again, a very important question. I would suggest that doctrine of repugnancy is a very important topic from the Indian Constitution, and I would suggest that everybody should go through it. So answer is Article 254. 254 deals with doctrine of repugnancy. If suppose there is a conflict in the law made by union and the state, then the law which is made by the parliament will always prevail, and it will be the part of law which is coming in conflict with union. Only that part will become repugnant and not the entire law. So 254 of the Constitution, I would suggest you should read for this. Which of the following statements is true regarding the power of union to give directions to the state governments? Union can give directions to the states on all matters. Union can give directions to states only on matters specified in Concurrent List. Directions to the states on matters specified in Union List. Union cannot give any directions to state governments. Union can give directions to states only during the emergencies. Now this is true regarding power. they have asked directions कब दे सकता है यूनियन? सिर्फ और सिर्फ emergencies में. States का exclusive power होता है on the subjects that they are making laws on. They will make it on their own. They will not act on the directions of the union government. Remember that. Who has the power to make laws with respect to GST? Now this is another interesting provision. अब GST amended provision है, so I would suggest everybody should go through what is the actual provision for it. The correct answer is E. Both union and states have been given the power under Article 246A, which talks about special provisions with respect to goods and service tax. 246 and 254 is talking about it, and clause 2 says legislature of every state also has power with respect to goods and service tax that is imposed by the union or by the state. Parliament as well as legislature, both are having power. Last question for today. Another very important topic this is from this chapter. Residuary powers of legislation rest with whom? Parliament, President, states, union or states, union and states, depending on the matter in which list the 7th schedule is there. Always remember one thing, only Parliament is having the residuary powers of legislation, and also remember the article number over here. Residuary powers यानी कि बचा कुचा जो भी टॉपिक किसी भी सब्जेक्ट में कहीं पे भी मेंशन नहीं है, वो सारे टॉपिक्स पर रेसिड्यूरी पावर अप्लाई होगा, एंड एक्सक्लूसिवली पार्लियामेंट इज हैविंग दैट पावर टू लेजिस्लेट ऑन दैट टॉपिक. Article 248 of the Indian Constitution. So this was all that I had to discuss today in the mock test from the topic relations between union and states. Prepare 50% faster with iXamBee for all the exams that you are preparing, and these questions will definitely help you. So don't forget to subscribe to LegalBee and check out all the videos in the series that are available and the contents and strategies we keep on giving you at LegalBee. Thank you everybody.